President of the Republic of Seychelles, the Honorable Reval Ram Kalawanji, distinguished guests, Namaskar. I would like to begin by extending my warm greeting to President Ram Kalawanji. He is a son of India with his roots in Gopalganj, district of Bihar. Today, not just the people of his village, Parsoni, but all Indians feel proud of his achievements. His election as president shows the faith that the people of Seychelles have in his dedication to public service. Friends, I fondly remember my visit to Seychelles in 2015. It was the first destination in my tour to Indian Ocean region countries. India and Seychelles share a strong and a vital partnership in the Indian Ocean neighborhood. Seychelles is a central to India's vision of Sagar, security and growth for all in the region. India is honored to be a partner of Seychelles in the development of its security capabilities and in meeting its infrastructure and developmental needs. Today marks an important milestone in our relations. We are meeting to jointly inaugurate several new projects completed under our development partnership. Friends, a free, independent and efficient judicial system is vital for all democracies. We are happy to have contributed towards the construction of the new Magistrates Court building in Seychelles. This state-of-the-art building has been completed even during these testing times of COVID-19 pandemic. I'm sure that it will be long remembered as a symbol of our deep and abiding friendship. India has always believed in a human-centric approach to development cooperation. This philosophy is reflected in the 10 high-impact community development projects being inaugurated today. These projects will bring positive change in the lives of communities spread across Seychelles. Friends, India is committed to strengthening the maritime security of Seychelles. Today, we are handing over a new state-of-the-art, made in India, fast patrol vessel to the Seychelles Coast Guard. This vessel will help Seychelles to protect its maritime resources. Climate change poses a special threat to island countries. Therefore, I am happy that today we are handing over a 1 megawatt solar power plant in the Seychelles built with India's assistance. All these projects reflect the development priorities of Seychelles, which is of growth with care for nature. Friends, India is honored to have played the role of a strong partner of Seychelles in its fight against COVID pandemic. During times of need, we were able to supply essential medicines and 50,000 doses of made in India vaccine to Seychelles. Seychelles was the first African country to receive the made in India COVID-19 vaccines. I wish to assure President Ram Kalawanji that India will continue to stand firmly with Seychelles in its efforts for post-COVID economic recovery. Friends, India-Seychelles friendship is truly special, and India takes immense pride in this relationship. I once again convey my best wishes to President Ram Kalawanji and the people of Seychelles. Thank you. Thank you very much. Namaste.